हेलो एवरीवन। प्रीवियस वीडियो में हमने 16 महाजनपद पढ़ी थी। उनमें से जो मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट महाजनपद थी मगध, जिसने सारी महाजनपद को अपने अंडर कर लिया था। मगध ने सारी महाजनपद को कॉन्कर कर लिया था। सो वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग अबाउट मगध इन दिस वीडियो। द राइज ऑफ मगध। सो व्हाट वर द रीजंस फॉर द राइज ऑफ मगध? Magad had the best rulers and it had fertile land surrounded by hills, so it was very good for agriculture purpose, and elephants, iron was available there. So these were the plus points of Magad, that why it was very powerful and how it conquered all the Mahajanpads. So basically Magad was ruled by three major dynasties, and these were Haryanka dynasty, second Shishunag dynasty, and the third one is Nanda dynasty. So this was the introduction of the Magad empire. Now we will be studying this in detail. So let's begin. Now the causes, the reasons for the rise and growth of Magad. First is economic reasons. So the area was very much fertile. It had rich iron deposits. So this was helpful for agricultural weapons. Then geographical location, as it was surrounded by hills, so it was a protected region. Then military power, so they were very powerful, so they had a long army, well equipped army, chariots, elephants, horses, they had all these things. So they were powerful from all the sides, economically, geographically, militarily, and also they had the best rulers. Clear? Now let's see about the dynasty. So the first dynasty that ruled was Haryanka dynasty, and its founder was Bimbisar. So let's talk about Bimbisar. So Bimbisar was a very intelligent person as how to expand its territory. So he entered into marriage alliances to strengthen his position. So his first wife, which was Kaushal Devi, was from Kaushal, and she brought Kashi as dowry. Second wife was Chelna from Vaishali, and third was Hema, the daughter of chief of Madra clan of Punjab. So he entered into these marriage alliances to extend his empire. So this was about the marriage alliances. Now about the death of Bimbisar, it is said that, and it is believed that Bimbisar was killed by his own son Ajatashatru for the throne, and Ajatashatru is known as first patricide in the Indian history. Patricide who has killed his father. Ajatashatru, he majorly fought two battles, one with Kaushal and another with Vaishali. It is believed that जब बिम्बिसार की डेथ हुई तो उनकी वाइफ जो थी कौशला देवी, उनकी मेमोरी में उनकी भी डेथ हो गई। तो जो काशी दिया गया था डाउरी में बिम्बिसार को, उसके लिए फाइट हो गई। वो जो चाहते थे कि काशी वो लोग वापस ले ले, बट अजातशत्रु इसको डिनाई कर रहे थे, एंड ऑन काशी दे हैड बैटल, and another battle was with Vaishali. So these two battles were majorly fought by Ajatashatru. Now the next ruler who succeeded Ajatashatru was Uddayan, his son. It has been told that Uddayan succeeded Ajatashatru, and he made Patliputra the capital of Magad. Uddayan was the follower of Jainism, and the last ruler of this dynasty, Haryanka dynasty, was Nagdaska. It is believed that जैसे ही बिम्बिसार को अजातशत्रु ने किल करा, then अजातशत्रु को उद्दयन ने, and this was followed by their whole dynasty. So they lost the support. Now the new dynasty that emerged was Shishunag dynasty, whose founder was Shishunag. So Shishunag was a minister in the court of the last ruler Nagdaska, and after a popular rebellion, Nagdaska was removed from the king's position and Shishunag was made the king by people's revolt. People ने शिशुनाग को अपना राजा चूज करा था. Shishunag was succeeded by his son Kalashok, and one of the most important or significant event of his reign was the second Buddhist council was organized by Kalashok at Vaishali. Now due to political instability, their rule ended, and their last ruler was probably Mahavardhan or Mahanand. Now next dynasty is Nanda dynasty. So the founder of the Nanda dynasty was Mahapadmanand, and it was believed that the Nandas, they were of low origin. Some facts say that they were Shudra. There are many stories that Mahapadmananda was barber in Dhananand's court. So there are many stories about Nanda's origin. They expanded the territory to the south in the Deccan. They are described as the first empire builders in the history of India. So throughout the reign of Nandas, there was a huge expansion of Magad, and it is said that the last king of Magad was Dhananand, and he was very much unpopular because he did financial extortion. He took taxes from people and people revolted against him. The name of Dhananand itself suggests that he loves money, so he did financial extortion from the people and it led to revolt. It is also said that once Dhananand disrespected Kautilya and then Kautilya took vote to destroy the Nanda dynasty and then the Mauryan Empire was established. We will be studying about the Mauryan Empire in our next video. Also, do let me know in the comments that how was the video or what would you like to see next. Thank you for watching.